The war between Israel and Iran is no longer just a threat. It's reality. And as of June 20th, 2025, it's getting dangerously close to drawing the entire world in. Here's what's really happening, and why the next few days could change history. After Iran launched over 1,000 drones and 450 ballistic missiles, Israel responded with unmatched force. Using F-35 jets, cyber attacks, and real-time satellite intel, Israel obliterated key Iranian sites. Nuclear facilities, radar systems, missile factories, even air defense bunkers near Tehran, Esfahan, and Tabriz. Officials claim over 30% of Iran's missile capacity is gone. And yes, Israel now claims full air superiority over Iranian skies. But Iran didn't stay quiet. Its missiles hit deep inside Israel, striking civilian areas in Beersheba, Haifa, and Tel Aviv. Hospitals were damaged, homes destroyed, and civilians, men, women, and children, were among the casualties. The death toll? Iran says over 639 killed on their side. Israel confirms dozens dead with hundreds more injured. This isn't just a military standoff. This is now a human crisis. And then there's the world. The US has deployed air support, but hasn't attacked. Not yet. President Trump says he'll decide within 2 weeks whether to strike Iran directly. Iran's warning? If you do, it's all-out war, everywhere. Hezbollah is watching from Lebanon. So is Russia, China, and NATO. Everyone knows one wrong move, and the Middle East becomes a firestorm. Peace talks have begun in Geneva, led by European mediators. But neither side is backing down. Iran refuses to negotiate while under attack. Israel says they'll finish the job if Iran keeps firing. So what happens next? The world is watching two nations fight. But the cost is being paid by the people. Families, children, entire cities. Is this just the beginning? Or are we one step away from the next global war? Subscribe to Histora, because we don't just tell history. We tell the history that's happening right now.